Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Wi-Fi is dropping or disconnecting frequently on Motorola Moto G10 smartphone. First of all, make sure that no other devices around you that you have access to have any issues with the same Wi-Fi network, so try connecting them to this Wi-Fi network and check if they work normally. And if they do, then on your smartphone, open settings and go to network and internet settings, then select your Wi-Fi network right here and tap the gear icon next to it. Select forget, and once you've forgotten it, select it once again and re-enter the password to it into the following field. And once you do that, you're gonna have to tap connect and connect to your network once again. Now let's wait. Oh, I probably misspelled the password. Just give me one more attempt. Okay, and so right now it's connected. Try using it once again, and if this doesn't help you, then we can reset the network settings. And to do that, we're gonna have to go to System and expand the Advanced options, go to Reset Options, reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Yes, it will also affect your mobile data, which basically won't change much, but unless you have a custom APN setup for your mobile network, then you're gonna have to reset your APN manually once again. If you did that manually before, then you're gonna have to do that manually once again. And it will also unpair your Bluetooth device, it says. So once you're ready, tap Reset Settings and enter your device's password, confirm, and wait until the network settings are reset. And then you're gonna have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. So let's go back to network and internet, go to Wi-Fi, select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password to it once again. Tap connect, and right now everything should start working normally. You can also restart your phone in addition to it. So hold down the power button to select restart, wait until your phone is restarted, and after your device is restarted, everything should return back to normal. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.